Every stage of the criminal legal system, race plays a role, and you see racially disparate impacts on communities of color at each step of the criminal legal system. Black and brown people are more likely to be stopped by the police, more likely to be arrested by the police, more likely to be charged with more serious offenses, more likely to be held in custody while their case is pending, more likely to be sentenced to periods of incarceration, and more likely to have worse results, worse outcomes upon leaving that term of incarceration. So all those steps along the way produce data points about the people who are going through these particular systems. That relates to kind of our algorithmic justice work, because what these algorithms do is look for patterns or search for patterns in large data sets and try to make forecasts about people's behavior based on those patterns. If all of those data points are all tainted by racial inequality and all bear the hallmarks of racially disparate treatment throughout the criminal legal system, then what those data points are going to suggest is that the particular community is more likely to be engaged in criminal activity, and thereby suggest to police that they should patrol that area more heavily, that there should be more police presence in that particular location. And of course, that in and of itself exacerbates and feeds on the already disparate and disproportionate presence of police and law enforcement in a community. As it is with many aspects of life, people think about technology as a tool that can be used to solve and resolve some really deep and challenging problems. While people want to adopt these technologies and have maybe the best of intentions in terms of adopting them, the sad reality is that more often than not, they carry with them the potential to simply reflect back and exacerbate the same biases that we see in the world around us.